Once you've created your mobile canvassing project, you can partition your project out to your canvassers by either using precincts or turf. It is best to think of your mobile canvassing assignments as the individual walk packets that are distributed to your canvassers. Mobile assignments are distributed in the Assign Turf/Create Mobile Project page. This page is accessed by hovering your mouse over the Outreach section of the navigation menu, moving down to Field Canvassing, and clicking Assign Turf/Create Mobile Project. To begin the assignment process, you will need to use the Assignment Method drop-down menu to select the method that you would like to use to make your mobile assignments. This section features 3 different types of areas that you can assign: turf, which are user-defined areas; precincts, which are provided by the county and are used to determine which district an individual resides in; and election precincts, which are also provided by the county and are used to determine an individual's polling location. Turfs and precincts can both be assigned by either list or map, while election precincts can only be assigned from a list. We will start by assigning turf from a list. You will then need to select the project that you're going to use to make your assignments. Use the Select a Canvassing Project drop-down menu to select the project that you would like to use. Once a project has been selected, the table will display a list of all the custom turfs. This list can include turfs that do not overlap with your geography of your assignment, so be careful when making assignments using these turfs. Above the table, you'll see 2 drop-down menus. The Filter Canvassers Assigned to Organizer drop-down menu allows you to filter the list of canvassers that can receive that assignment by their organizer. The Create By drop-down menu allows you to filter the list of turfs by the user who created those turfs. There are 2 ways you can assign turfs using this method. The first method should only be used when you want to assign 1 or 2 canvassers to the selected turf. You will first need to activate the checkbox of the turf that you would like to assign. You will then use the Select Canvasser drop-down menus to select the canvassers that should be assigned to that turf. Once your canvassers have been selected, click the Move to Pending Assignments button. This will move those assignments down to the My Assignments area below. If you would like to assign more than 2 people to a turf, click on the name of the turf that you would like to assign. In the Assign to Canvasser pop-up, activate the checkbox of the canvassers that should receive the turf. Once all the canvassers have been selected, click the Move to Pending Assignments List button. You can use the Filter by Organizer drop-down menu to filter the list by the organizer. You can also use the Search Canvasser text box to quickly search for a specific canvasser by entering in their name in the text box. Once your turfs have been selected, they will sit in the My Assignments section below with a pending status. Pending assignments are not currently on your canvasser's devices. To save these pending assignments, click the Save Changes and Update Devices button. This will save the pending assignments and save them to your canvasser's devices. Your canvassers will need to refresh their devices to see their new assignments. The next assignment method is Assign Turf from Map and Assign Turf from Map with Counts. The assignment process for both of these methods are exactly the same. The difference between them is the voter and household counts are displayed in the Assign Turf from Map with Counts method. Once you have selected your method and project, you will need to add the turf that you would like to assign to the map. There are 2 ways that you can do this. If you know the name of the turf, you can use the Find Precinct/Turf text box to enter in the name of the turf. If you're unsure of the name of the turf, you can use the Select Turf Group drop-down menu to select the name of the turf group that turf belongs to. The latter method will display all the turfs in that group on the map. Once the turf you would like to assign is displayed on the map, you can double-click on that turf, which will then bring up the assignments pop-up. You can also click on the turf once or click on multiple turfs, followed by clicking the icon with 3 people, which is located in the upper right side of the map. Following the latter method allows you to assign multiple turfs at the same time. Just like in our previous method, you will activate the checkboxes of all the canvassers that should be assigned to that turf. You will then click the Move to Pending Assignments List button. Just like in the previous methods, the selected assignments will sit in the My Assignments section with a pending status. You will need to click the Save Changes and Update Devices button to save the assignments and send them over to your canvasser's devices. The next assignment method is Assign Precincts from List, Assign Precincts from List with Counts, and Assign Election Precincts from List. The Assign Precincts from Counts method may take a bit longer to load since it's also calculating density for each of the precincts in your assignment. The regular precinct method will filter your list of precincts. The 2 standard precinct methods will filter your list to only precincts with voters in the assignment. You can assign these precincts by either activating the checkbox of the precinct that you would like to assign and use the Select Canvasser drop-down menu to select the canvassers, followed by clicking the Move to Pending Assignments button. You can also assign precincts by clicking on the name of the precinct. Then in the Assign to Canvasser screen, you will activate the checkbox of the canvassers that should be assigned to that precinct. followed by clicking the Move to Pending Assignments list button. Just like in the previous methods, the selected assignments will sit in the My Assignments section with the pending status. You will need to click the Save Changes and Update Devices button to save the assignments and send them over to your canvasser's devices. The last methods are the Assign Precincts from Map and Assign Precincts from Map with Counts options. Both of these methods will immediately load your precincts on the map. Note, the program will only load the precincts that are in view. If the precincts that you would like to assign are not in view, you can either zoom out until they are in view, or move your map to the location. Once the area is in view, click the Refresh button. This will then reload the precincts on the map. These precincts can be assigned by double-clicking on the precinct that you would like to assign to the canvasser. You can also click on a single precinct or multiple precincts and click on the 3 people icon in the upper right side of the map. Then in the Assign to Canvasser pop-up screen, you'll activate the checkboxes of the canvassers that should receive this assignment. Just like before, you'll click the Move to Pending Assignments list button to send them over to the My Assignments section down below. Again, you will need to click the Save Changes and Update Devices button to save the assignments and send them over to your canvasser's devices. As a note, you can use the Search Precincts/Turf text box to search for your precincts. Once assignments have been assigned, they are viewable in the My Assignments section. In order to view your assignments, you'll need to select the assignment method that matches the area type. For example, if you would like to review turfs, you would need to select any method that has turfs. If you would like to review precincts, you'll need to select any method that contains precincts. And if you would like to review election precincts, you'll need to select the election precinct method. Once the method has been selected, you'll then need to select the canvassing project in the Select a Canvassing Project drop-down menu. Once both of these items have been selected, you will then have access to the assignments in the My Assignments section. This section can be filtered by organizer, precinct, turf, or turf group. By default, you will only be able to view your active assignments. If you would like to view your expired assignments, activate the View Expired Assignments checkbox. The My Assignments section gives you 2 ways to manage your assignments. The first method is the Manage Assignments subtab, which allows you to manage your assignments by either precinct, turf, or election precinct. The Canvasser 1 and Canvasser 2 columns will show you the first 2 people assigned to that turf, precinct, or election precinct. If you hover your mouse over the number in the All column, you will see a full list of names of canvassers that are assigned to that turf. The Status column will tell you the current status of that assignment. An assignment can either be active, inactive, or pending. Clicking on the name in the Area Name section allows you to assign that assignment to additional canvassers. Clicking on the date in the Due Date column allows you to change the expiration date of that assignment. You will need to do this if you would like to expire an assignment sooner or extend its date. If you change the date on an assignment, you will need to click the Save and Update Devices button to save those changes. If you would like to remove an assignment, click the trash can icon for the assignment that you would like to remove. The trash can icon will then turn red, meaning that the deletion is pending. You will need to click the Save Changes and Update Devices button to finalize the deletion. Note, if you are in the Manage Assignments tab while clicking the Delete button, this will remove the assignment from all canvassers. If you would rather manage assignments by canvasser, instead, click on the Review Assignments by Canvasser subtab. In this section, you can review an assignment's current status. Just like before, clicking on the name in the Area Name column allows you to assign that assignment to additional canvassers. Clicking on the trash can icon will mark that assignment for deletion. You will need to click the Save Changes and Update Devices button to finalize those changes. Note, clicking on the Delete button in the Review Assignments by Canvasser tab will remove the assignment only from the selected canvassers.